Participate means to take part in something. Example, I participate in the competition. Pause means to stop for a short time. Example, she pauses before speaking. Perform means to do an action or task. Example, the singer performs on stage. Permit means to allow something. Example, the teacher permits questions. Persuade means to make someone agree. Example, she persuades me to join. Pin means to attach with a pin. Example, she pins the note to the board. Place means to put something somewhere. Example, I place the book on the table. Plant means to put seeds in the ground. Example, we plant flowers in spring. Pollute means to make air, water, or land dirty. Example, factories pollute rivers. Pour means to make liquid flow. Example, I pour milk into the glass. Praise means to express approval. Example, the teacher praises her students. Predict means to say what will happen in the future. Example, experts predict rain. Prefer means to like one thing more than another. Example, I prefer tea to coffee. Pretend means to act as if something is true. Example, the child pretends to be a doctor. Prevent means to stop something from happening. Example, exercise prevents illness. Promise means to say you will do something. Example, I promise to help you. Pronounce means to say a word correctly. Example, she pronounces the word clearly. Protect means to keep safe from harm. Example, sunscreen protects your skin. Prove means to show that something is true. Example, he proves his point. Publish means to make something available to the public. Example, she publishes a book. Punish means to give a penalty for wrongdoing. Example, parents punish bad behavior. Pursue means to follow and try to achieve something. Example, he pursues his goals. Quit means to stop doing something. Example, she quits her job. Race means to compete in speed. Example, they race each other. Rain means for water to fall from the sky. Example, it rains a lot here. Reach means to arrive at a place. Example, she reaches home late. React means to respond to something. Example, she reacts calmly. Rebuild means to build again. Example, they rebuild the bridge. Recognize means to know someone or something. Example, I recognize his face. Record means to save sound or video. Example, I record my lesson. Recover means to become healthy again. Example, he recovers quickly. Recycle means to use materials again. Example, we recycle plastic bottles. Refuse means to say no. Example, she refuses the offer. Regret means to feel sorry about something. Example, I regret my decision. Reject means to refuse to accept something. Example, they reject the proposal. Release means to let go. Example, the zoo releases the animal. Rely means to depend on someone. Example, I rely on my friends. Remove means to take away. Example, please remove your shoes. Rent means to pay to use something temporarily. Example, we rent an apartment. Replace means to put something new instead of something old. Example, I replace the battery. Rescue means to save from danger. Example, firefighters rescue people. Resist means to fight against something. Example, he resists temptation. Respect means to admire and value someone. Example, I respect my parents. Respond means to answer or react. Example, she responds politely. Retire means to stop working because of age. Example, my grandfather retires this year. Roll means to move by turning over. Example, the ball rolls down the hill. Rub means to move your hand over something. Example, I rub my eyes. Rush means to move very quickly. Example, we rush to catch the train. Sail means to travel on water in a boat. Example, they sail across the lake.